Alyssa Andrews, who's been very busy over in the Weather Center.
Yes, it has been a busy here over the last hour or so. We've been tracking strong storms. We talked about it online. We said, this looks like it could be a little on the stronger side. And then we saw that severe thunderstorm warning come out on that same storm we were following. And then additionally, it was followed by a tornado warning. So a storm capable of producing a tornado. Now, right now in Indianapolis, we're at 80 degrees. It's still raining there. A few thunderstorms, but nothing severe at the moment. So all of those severe warnings were allowed to expire on time at 6 p.m. That's great news. Winds are to the southwest at 11 miles an hour. The dew point temperatures are pretty high at 73 degrees. Looking ahead right now to the next couple of hours, we've got temperatures heading into the upper 70s as we have storms still on the way, so we're not in the clear yet. Here's a look at Live Guardian radar. We got heavy showers and thunderstorms here just south of I-70. And even though we did get rid of the severe tags on everything, the severe warnings have expired. As I take lightning off here, there is at least a special weather statement out for this line of strong showers and thunderstorms that could impact central Indiana counties over the next couple of hours and at least until 6:45 p.m. tonight. So if anything does become severe, or if we're looking at something on radar that looks like that could have a little bit of rotation on that, we will certainly let you know. Speaking of a little rotation right here, it actually was an off-duty National Weather Service member that reported seeing a funnel cloud, and additionally a member of emergency management that saw that as well. So that's why sometimes those severe thunderstorm warnings can get those tornado warnings on them as well, where that tornado is possible. But what we saw too was some trees down and power lines down, that we did get winds of 60 miles an hour and hail that was ping pong ball size, so about 1.5 inches in diameter. Certainly reaches severe criteria. Terre Haute, it looks like just 1/4 inch of rainfall. We certainly got some heavier totals and the locations where you have that excess of lightning, heavy downpours, and strong wind gusts. So this is the line of storms we're going to continue to watch here over the next couple of hours, and that does have the special weather statement out until 6:45. Now, this is all part of a larger system here. We are under that severe risk, so we've been watching it all day long for you and just keeping an eye and getting that early jump when we see something on radar that might look a little suspicious and then turn into that severe thunderstorm warning. So again, this goes for most of central Indiana, where we do have that risk for severe storms. Now, looking ahead to the next couple of hours, we're going to continue to watch these showers and storms progress, but about 8 p.m. looks like we could have some isolated storms here north of I-70, so maybe more northern portions of central Indiana and near Muncie could be impacted later in the evening hours as we get closer to sunset. That's a look at 9:30 p.m. And again, we'll continue to keep an eye on this as we head through the overnight hours into early Monday morning, because it looks like we'll get closer to seeing those storms start to disorganize and fall apart a little bit as we go into the early morning hours of Monday. And then finally, we'll see things clear out and dry up a bit for the start in the rest of the afternoon on our Monday ahead. But first, we still have some stronger storms to get through. Our highs today in the mid-80s, so we reached pretty close to normal temperatures. We did get to some low 90s to the south. And then some of our peak wind gusts right in the 25 to 30 mile an hour range. But of course, we had those stronger gusts of wind around 60 miles an hour where we saw some of those severe thunderstorms. Now we're seeing just a steady breeze out of the southwest right now, 5 to 15 miles an hour. So a decent breeze going. And once we get through these storms over the next couple of hours tonight and all through sunset, we are going to be setting up for a pretty decent Monday. Our temperatures are going to be falling back a little bit to the low and mid 80s. So I think that'll be the biggest change coming up in our 7-day forecast, the most welcome change at least. We are going to still see chances for rain and even some thunderstorms and scattered storm activity through the mid part of the week. But again, as we are still in that moderate drought across central Indiana and abnormally dry conditions, we'll really need to use the rain. And I'm interested to see what the drought report says when it comes out again on Thursday. That'll be the next update, because I think the rainfall that we got over the weekend and through these next couple of days is certainly going to help. But the other takeaway, of course, of the 7-day forecast is all the 80-degree temperatures and the lack of 90s. Alexa?
Thanks so much, Alyssa. Coming up in